If you're interested in taking a holiday at the resort of Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa in the Maldives, or are simply interested in knowing what the snorkelling is like around this lovely resort, then this video is for you. This video forms part of my playlist for this paradise island. I've already posted an ultimate review guide to this island together with a separate video to share with you what the inclusive meals are like. So please do check those out, and I will include a link to those at the end of this video and in the description below. In this video, I'll give you an insight into the marine life you can expect to see when snorkeling around the overwater bungalows, walking along the beach and boardwalks, as well as the highly recommended twice daily free snorkeling boat trips offered to guests by the resort. I'll start this video with the twice daily free snorkeling boat trips. There is one in the morning between 10 and 11 a.m. and in the afternoon between 3 and 4 p.m. You're usually in the water for about 40 minutes, but of course can get back into the boat whenever you want to. You pick the boat up from the reception/welcome area, and after registering your name and bungalow number, usually get taken to one of 6 different reefs. As I mentioned in my ultimate review guide video of Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa, you do get free hire of snorkel, mask and fins for the duration of your stay, handing them back the night before you travel home. But I did bring my own mask and snorkel on this trip. I see that smile in those beautiful. So that's the result of Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa. That's the reef we're diving on. And I think those 2 islands there and there are Milu and Nalafushi, where you go for the island hopping trip. Across the ocean, dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. If you have any questions at any time from what you've seen in this video or about the resort of Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa itself, then please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below, and I will undertake to get back to you within a maximum 24 hours. Across the ocean, yeah. I heard him say that all good things fade away, but I'm fighting here to make sure that's not true. No, and I know it's hard and we've lost in many ways, but I ain't giving up. Our love will never lose. I'd cross the ocean for you. I dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I give it everything that you need. Oh, and give me just one chance. And baby, take my hand. Heart's in motion for you. Across the ocean for you. No matter what we go through, always gonna be me and you, baby. Dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I give you everything that you need. Give me just one chance. Baby, take my hand. My heart's in motion for you. I'd cross the ocean for you.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine, when we were told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
So, I hope that gave you a good example of what the sort of marine life you can see away from the island on the free twice daily boat trips. And as I make my way back to my water bungalow, I'll give you a glimpse of the ocean life you can see from the beach and the boardwalks before getting back into the water to show you the marine life around the overwater bungalows themselves.
I just miss you. Miss you. Miss you. Oh, miss you. Nothing else that I can do. I just miss you.
It was about a 10-minute walk from the reception stroke welcome pavilion back to my water bungalow. Time now to get back into the water and I'll show you what you can see around the water bungalows themselves. Okay, so we'll go for some snorkeling. First thing I'm going to do is show you what the marine life is like off of the water bungalows. You'll see what is down there because there's normally more than you actually think there is. You will always find fish sheltering from the heat of the day under the bungalows, and depending on the time of day, this can be a variety of different fish, including rays and reef shark. I did see reef sharks regularly when snorkelling, but sadly it wasn't when I had my camera with me.
They're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts, but I believe in coloring the world. Gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right by to the sky, to the moon, making my skyline.
When snorkeling around the bungalows and off the boat, I did soon realise that you do have to keep looking around yourself all the time because it is quite easy to miss fish.
Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove for you.
So as you can see, that's my water bungalow behind me. And you can see where the water comes up to me, it's just up to my chest. This is the highest it's been. So it doesn't get really deep around the water bungalows, but there are quite a lot of things to see. You can't see it on face value until you actually go under the water, and out of that way in particular, it's a good reef for seeing the fish. That's at the end of our villa, which is 370, and I'll show you exactly how far away it is from the water bungalow in a moment.
And get my heart in trouble. We all behold how our fates are growing, and when we come,
The seagrass that grows around the island is really important in providing food and habitat for the marine life.
We can fight back, ready to go right by. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You, you get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You, get my heart in trouble. Tonight I wanna hide away, and I can feel us flowing to the sky, to the moon, and making my skyline brand new. You, get my heart in trouble. To the sky, to the moon, making my skyline brand new. You get my heart in trouble. Make a beat, sing a tune, giving my life this whole groove. You.
So just to give you some perspective, those fish I've just shown around about here, that's my villa, or water bungalow I should say, number 370. So I'm standing up now and it's still just above my waist. The current is really strong though, so you need to be mindful of that. But there's plenty of fish to see around the bungalows, more so I would say than on the beaches themselves. I hope you found that useful. If you are looking to stay at Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa, or just interested to see what marine life is like around one of these resorts, and also if you're coming here on vacation and want to see what the marine life is like on the twice daily snorkel trips, again I hope you found it of value to you. If you've liked the video, please do give me a thumbs up like, as that will really help me, and please do consider subscribing if you've enjoyed the content. At the end of the video I'll put a link to my ultimate guide review of Cinnamon Hakuraa Huraa, and also put it in the link in the description below. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.